Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking an aerial view. We're using drone footage to take a look at the Rio Mino River. Actually, this is the bridge, the Rio Mino Bridge. So this is a part of Highway 2000. That's the highway that's being built from Kingston to Montego Bay. But it's being built in phases. And the Kingston to Maypen phase is open, it's up and running. And then from Maypen to Mandeville, that phase is being built now. So this bridge that we're looking at now, this is the bridge. This is a part of the Maypen to Mandeville leg of Highway 2000. This section actually starts at the bridge. And this bridge was recently built. It's going to connect the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. And it's the Rio Mino Bridge. And according to the NWA, which is a National Works Agency, this is going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica. Well, the bridge is practically finished. So we're in Clarendon, just on the outskirts of Maypen. So we're just going to give you an aerial view of where we are. Now this bridge lines up directly with where the existing highway ends. So straight ahead, that's where Highway 2000 ends. And if you notice, it's a straight line. When this section is open, the roundabout is going to be removed. And when you're on the highway, you just go straight. You're not even going to know that a roundabout used to be there. Now we're looking at the Maypen Bridge, and you can see how much smaller it is compared to the Rio Mino Bridge. And that's the Maypen bypass that you're looking at, that road that the cars actually travel on now. So Highway 2000 is a toll road. So you have to pay to use this road. That's the road we're looking at now. That bridge is a part of Highway 2000. So if you don't want to use the highway, you can use a regular road, which is the road on the right. And that road is the Maypen bypass. And you don't have to pay to use that road. So we're just going to take a closer look at the bridge. It's still under construction. This highway is 90% complete, and the highway, this section is scheduled to be opened in March 2023, in 2 months' time. Now, the alignment of the highway is, or this section that we're talking about, it starts here, and then it runs alongside the existing road, which is the Maypen bypass, all the way down to Clarendon Park. Then at Clarendon Park, you're going to have a major interchange, meaning you can get on, get off the highway. And then at Clarendon Park, the highway goes over the hill and comes back out by the Melrose Hill bypass. So when finished, this section will take you from where we are in Maypen to Williamsfield in Manchester. So here's a nice view of both bridges. So if you notice, there is a, what you call it now, a barricade, one of those metal barricades that you can lift up. That's to prevent persons or unauthorized vehicles from entering the highway. Now remember, this highway is 90% complete, so you could drive from where we are at the bridge all the way to Clarendon Park and over the hill to a certain point. So they have put up that where you see that person walking, there's a barricade right there. And there's a security guard that will only allow authorized persons to use the road. And there's a sign where to the left, there's a yellow sign that says unauthorized person or trespassers will be prosecuted. This is actually, you can see I have a nice view of the Rio Mino River there. And guys, let us know what you think of the drone footage. You can leave a comment in the section below. We just recently started to use drones. So let us know, give us some feedback. And then straight ahead, that is the existing leg of the highway. So right at this point where you see the dirt road leading into the bridge, that is where this section of the highway starts, and it goes all the way to Williamsfield in Manchester. And that's the Maypen bypass that we're looking at. That's the main road that you would take. And all the way to the right, I don't think the camera is going to pick it up, but that's Maypen, the town of Maypen, which is the capital of Clarendon. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Give us some feedback. Alright guys, have a good day.